Next, elongation of polypeptide chain. Elongation of polypeptide chain or elongation of translation. Elongation of translation. So, during elongation process, the amino acids enters into the A site. That means the tRNA carries the amino acids and which enters into the A site of ribosomal complex. So, the ribosomal complex is moving along the length of the mRNA. And here let us discuss about the energetics. So, for translocation of every amino acid, that is especially to carry the amino acid from the cytoplasmic pool or various places into the that is translation site, it will require one GTP. So, and another GTP will be used during translocation. Ribosomal complex will be translocated. Hence, for the incorporation of every amino acid, 2 GTPs are required. For incorporation of every amino acid, 2 GTP molecules are required. Two GTP molecules are required except for first amino acid. First amino acid during elongation. During elongation. So, here the elongation factors are also will be involved. Elongation factors. The elongation factors are elongation factor T and elongation factor G will be involved. Whereas in case of eukaryotes, small e represents eukaryotic elongation factor. For the formation of peptide bond, there is an enzyme here, peptide bond will be formed. So, whenever like these two amino acids will be formyl methionine phenylalanine. So, here peptide bond will be formed by the peptidyl transferase enzyme. Peptidyl transferase. Whereas in case of prokaryote, the 23S rRNA only acts as peptidyl transferase enzyme. Okay, so the peptide bond formation will be takes place. After the formation of peptide bond, the ribosomal complex will be moves along the length of the mRNA. So that here A site will become that P site, A site will become P site, and P site will become E site, and a new A site will be formed for the entry of amino acids. So when it comes to that is a molecule is for water also will be released during the peptide bond formation. And always the polypeptide chain grows in C2N direction. Polypeptide chain grows in C2N direction. Chain grows in C2N direction. Grows in C2N direction. And it's like in a carboxyl group of first amino acid and amino group of some second amino acid, the peptide bond formation will be takes place. Yeah, whenever this ribosomal complex will be reached to the termination codon, so by the time termination will be takes place. And during translocation, translocase enzyme also will be involved. Translocase enzyme catalyzes translocase process. Translocase enzyme catalyzes translocation. Translocation process, and also it can be catalyzed by or controlled by that is elongation factor G.